Ready, go!
Cool.
G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Get Camping. Today we're at the Blue Dolphin Resort here at Yamba, down in northern New South Wales. It's about a 3-hour trip from Brisbane. We're going to do a campsite review. Let's get into it. Blue Dolphin Holiday Resort is located at Yamba Road, Yamba, boasting waterfront sites on the beautiful Clarence River, on-site cabins, deluxe powered sites and even ensuite sites. This place has something for everyone. The resort has stacks of facilities. There is a snooker hall, cafe style eating area, swim up bar, and for those that just want the basics, there are camp kitchens spread around the park. There is plenty of activities for the kids and also big kids. Mini golf, indoor rock climbing wall, playground, jumping pillow, large chess set and 4 swimming pools to enjoy. There's even water slides. We found the grounds to be well maintained, amenities were very clean with good water pressure. Most sites have easy access for big vans with artificial turf replacing the traditional concrete slab. Phone reception is good throughout the park. At the time of our stay, a powered site was $50 for the night. Alright, so we just rocked up to Angourie and we're going to go have a swim at the Angourie pools. I haven't been here before, but from what I can see, looks really nice. We're just down here with a couple of friends. It's about 10 or 15 minutes from Yamba. So yeah, I'll get the drone up and have a fly around and show you what it looks like. So check these pools out. These pools are amazing. 15 minutes from Yamba, park at the top of the hill. It's a short, less than 5-minute walk down to the pools. There's about 5 or 6 of them in total. They fill up with the high tide, and then they create this beautiful little sort of oasis of rock pools. I'm pretty sure, like, it's a bit of an overcast day today, but on a hot summer's day, mate, this place would be packed. Alright, so just got back from the Angourie pools. highly recommend you come and check it out if you're in Yamba or anywhere somewhere close. There's a number of different pools where you can have a swim, walk along the rock wall, but yeah, awesome spot. Alright guys, that's the end of our camping at the Blue Dolphin Holiday Resort at Yamba. Unfortunately it rained on the last day and a half. Anyway, you get that. What did I think? I think it was pretty good. It's got definitely lots of activities for the kids. There's mini golf, there's heaps of pools, there's slides, you've got the beach right there. The town's not that far away. Really enjoyed it. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.